Hello, greater students! In this video, we will learn about base words and ending s and es. Our objectives: to learn the spelling sound correspondences for base words with endings s and es, to segment and count syllables in words, and to build, blend, and decode regularly spelled words with endings s and es. Always remember that base words are root words, wherein we are not going to add any other letters before or after the words. Here's a plural rule number 1. Most words add s to make the plural. For example, one apple. You would notice that in the word apple, there's no any other letter attached at the end of it, because there's only one apple. But if it is more than one, like this, we have two apples, we will have to add s at the end of the word. Here are more examples: desk, desks; month, months; book, books; train, trains; pen, pens; name, names; shop, shops; friend, friends. Always remember that usually most of the words you will just have to add s at the end of the word. Here's more: chair, chairs; one teacher, two or more teachers. Now let's try these. If you need more time to answer, you may pause the video. Pencil, one road, one flower, one girl, and one plant. To form the plural form, you will just have to add s. Pencils, roads, two flowers, three girls, or five plants. Plural rule number 2. We add es to words ending in ch, which makes the sound ch, sh, which makes the sound sh, s, ss, x, or z to make the plural form. Here are some of the examples. One box. If you would notice, box is in base form and it ends with an x. Therefore, to form its plural, we are going to add es. So that is one box and many boxes. Here are other examples. Wish, it ends with sh, so we are going to add es, as well as the beach, so we add es, beach, beaches. Cross, it ends with ss, so we add es, so it becomes crosses. Waltz, waltzes; bus, buses; lunch, lunches; dish, dishes; loss, losses; and fox, foxes; bunch, bunches. Now let's try these. Again, if you want more time, you can pause the video. Watch, pitch, wax, class, and gas. For all of these words, you only have to add es at the end of each word. Watch, watches; pitch, pitches; wax, waxes; class, classes; and gas, gases. Plural rule number 3. When the letter before a y is a consonant, change the y to an I before adding an es. For example here, one baby. The word baby ends with a y, so if it is in plural form, you will have to replace y with an I and we will add es. Like in this picture, there are two babies. Then the word city, it ends with a y, so again, replace y with an I and then add es. Berry becomes berries, pony becomes ponies,
Family becomes families, and reply becomes replies. And lady becomes ladies. Let's try these. Daisy, fairy, army, party, and fly. Now you would notice that all of these words end with Y. So again, you will have to replace the Y with an I, and then you will have to add ES. So daisy become daisies, fairy becomes fairies, army becomes armies, party becomes parties, and fly becomes flies. Now let's have a recap and consolidation on what we have learned today. First is the easiest way to learn how to spell a word is to practice. Practice, practice. Spelling rules are helpful, but practice makes perfect. And once you learn how to spell a word, you will not forget how to spell it as long as you practice. Practice, practice. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone.